Welcome everyone. This is video 3 on the first test here. And now we are well underway, and basically these are ready to be harvested. On the left here we have the Tachyon empowered sprouts, and on the right here we have the traditional nothing done to them. You can see these are the actual trays they've been in. Underneath you'll see the large Tachyon cell. This is a glass cell that serves as an antenna. We have the actual Tachyon bead inside of this one here, which is great for identification and supposed to give it an extra boost. Over here is just the plain control subject, which has done quite well. When we look at these, essentially, while there seems to be some differences actually in the negative aspect with the Tachyonized sprouts in terms of the fact that less vigorous growth and actual less sprouts, but that could be simply because of a lack of number of seeds, while this one surprisingly took off and produced quite a bit right from the beginning. But now that we've got to a mature stage here, we can actually see that there's virtually no difference here. The Tachyonized sprouts did not sprout sooner, they did not sprout more, they did not sprout more vigorous. In terms of looking at the sprouts, and on our next video, I will open these up and we'll take a look at the sprouts themselves to see if there's any difference, and we'll also measure the intensity of energy. One person brought to my attention that maybe the Tachyon sprouts have greater energetic factors to them. We will find out, because I will measure that as well. I've been doing that for years and can do it very easily. So at this particular point, we have this very, here's the Tachyons. A little different view here. I don't know if we can get any better or not. See, these are the typical sprout growth. And sprouts are great for you, particularly these, which are broccoli sprouts. They're very high in anti-carcinogenic, so they say. Here's the non-tachyonized. So as we can see in general, at the very least, there is absolutely no difference. If we want to give a little subjective information, it appears that there's less growth in the Tachyonized batch. In terms of the sprouts themselves, at the initial look at them from this particular outside, there seems to be identical. They aren't any bigger, they aren't any shorter, they aren't less growth. What appears to have happened, as there is less growth in general in the tachyon size in terms of sprouting of seeds, but it could be just the fact that less seeds got in there. But if we look at the actual sprouts, there's no difference. So we can't come to a complete conclusion yet, but at this time, there is no difference between tachyon sprouted seeds and non-tachyon sprouted seeds.